If you own a UTV or ever driven one and seeing behind you is a requirement and not optional, you're gonna want one of these universal rear view mirrors. Now this rear view mirror is gonna be a must-have for when you're riding on the trail or working on the farm or working on the ranch or whatever, and you need to see behind you and you don't have a rear view mirror. It's really super easy. You just take this, you clamp it onto your bar, and you stick this end. So depending on the option that you have, or depending on how you want to mount it, if you want to mount it down like this, or if you need to turn it, you have multiple different options. That's the reason why this kit works really well, is because it is universal. So it's going to fit almost any brand that's out there. And it comes with your own tools, your Allen wrench. So this is perfect for getting this one off right here. And then it comes with, if you wanted to do the nut right here, so it comes with the bolt, it comes with all the tools that you'll need to make this adjustment. Because if you're anything like me and you leave your UTVs like on the farm or on the ranch out in the field, you may not have tools handy that's close by. But don't worry, you're gonna have all the tools that you need to get this job done. So not only does it come with the rear view mirror, it also comes with your bigger side view mirrors. So you can see what's on the side of you, what's coming up on you, or you can see what's directly behind you. So it comes with those two mirrors in the box, and it also comes with all the hardware that you could need or want to install this. Super, super easy install, and we're gonna go have some fun with these today. Overall, simple install, solid build, and a great way to add some much needed visibility to yours or any UTV out there. So if you really like to know what's going on behind you, then this mirror kit might just be a solid upgrade for you.